Greetings, my name is Dr. Wanjiru Kamau, a Kenyan-born mental health specialist, 82 years old. I have 4 children and 8 grandchildren. I was born in Kiambu district, an area designated for the natives by the British colonial government. We lived on an 8-acre land farm where we grew everything naturally. The plants, the leaves, and the bark, the fruits as well, were our medicines. And we used that for all ailment prevention, cure across the ages. Growing up, I learned compassion, I learned respect, humility, generosity, and respect for others, especially the elders and our parents. Growing up, I was constantly reminded that I am my own word, and my actions represented my essence. That was integrity. All those values together, they have contributed in my activities in the last 40 years. I've taught critical thinking so that people can dispute injustices. I have been nurturing, and I've been counseling, and I have been teaching our identity as Africans, which have been eroded by the colonial systems of education and religion. These values have followed me all my life, and I have found myself nurturing, teaching critical thinking, and celebrating diversity of human beings and plants. The most challenge in my life was bringing up my 4 children who came through me, but I learned they're not mine. They came with their scripts and their own soul. I had to develop sensitivity to those differences. And similarly, even as I grow the plants, I also realize they are not the same. So developing skills to mitigate through differences has been one of my greatest challenges. As I tried to understand who I was, who I am, I developed a video which I call a child of 2 worlds. And I use it as a tool to help others, like the following generation of my children, teaching them who they are, trying to erode all that has been taught through the education systems, making them really a hybrid, just like the seeds. I have replicated these values also in my urban home, where I have planted bananas, over 10 types of fruits, indigenous vegetables, beans, and all manner of things to sustain health, because cropping has ruined our world with pesticides and things like that. Therefore, those values of integrity have got to come to our seeds. Those values of life and honoring and loving Mother Earth have also been a part of my life. You will see that along with the video to see what it is that I'm doing. And I'm not just doing alone, I'm reaching out to the Kenya Seed Savers organization led by Mr. Wajama, and it's very exciting. Thank you.